Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone has a MagSafe ring and that your case is MagSafe compatible. Once done, remove any thick cover that blocks magnets because that prevents proper hold. Now align the wallet's magnetic center with the phone's back. Magnets will self-center and you'll feel a click. Press gently to seat the wallet, don't force it. This initial alignment matters for secure hold and wireless charging compatibility, so make sure the wallet sits flush and stable before you move on. Next, organize cards to keep balance and magnet contact. You should place your primary card in the slot closest to the phone so the weight stays centered and cards don't bend. Once done, respect the manufacturer's recommended card count. Too many cards reduce magnetic grip and prevent proper seating. Then test detachment. Lift the wallet's bottom edge and slide it off. This verifies the snap and release force. If it wiggles, reseat cards or remove one to restore a snug, reliable attachment. Finally, handle charging and upkeep to maintain performance. You can wireless charge with certain MagSafe wallets attached, check compatibility and watch for heat. Excessive temperature reduces battery life. Make sure to clean the wallet and phone back monthly using a dry cloth to remove grit that blocks magnets. And if things go wrong, troubleshoot. Remove cards and test the wallet on another MagSafe phone. If it still misaligns, the wallet or case may be warped. Replace or contact support if magnets weakened or structure is damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.